ake ngiqamba mangabe kukhulunywa ipolitiki ke kakhulu especially ehlangana umani ubaba so sonke siyakhuluma siya debate sizofundiswa ngamakobanisi sifundiswe ngayo iANC ngeMK nani inkinga zale eSouth Africa kusizoxezulwa kanjani iANC yenzani yini nje vision yayo ifuna ukwenzani but kakhulu nje it was political debates kade zenzeka ke especially mebekhona bobabili sizama ukuhlulana ke sizayibo ubani uzofaka into engathi sound yasinda
bengashiya ukuthi hayi ayisikhuluma indaba zazo zomsebenzi la ekhaya ake kukhulunywa izinto zala ekhaya
lutho
ungenile
lokho ungenile encourage ake ukuthi yaqhubeka noma futhi efuna bonke abantu uma ubefuna ukukhiqiza odokotela ke ngoba naye usudokotela ubaba ubefuna abameli so bonke ke bayazama ukuthi bas influence ukuthi nizongena kobuphi umkhakha bekuyileyo doke
ngekuthiwe ngesizulu umfundisi akamzali umfundisi
unfortunately
uyabona ke akamzalanga ukhule vele ipolitiki vele iseduze kwakho ekseni njengoba usho nje ekseni mina ntambama izingxoxo mayingena nani niyaphawula kodwa yini lento ngemedia lomkhakha lo eyakudonsa yakholela kuona
sure so njengoba ngishilo ukactor into engayiqala ngesimncane kodwa bengingakholelwa kakhulu ukuthi kungaba into engenza nje icareer kube into engizoyilandela nje ingenzela imali ngikwazi ukuyenza ngibe umuntu oright emhlabeni so bengifunde Cape Town ngese UCT ngiyenza ilaw wafika yena ezongena ku open day yase after ngathi angimphelezele kusisi wami hayibo kwabe ngathi bayenzela mina le open day
hayi wena
ngathi hayibo this can't be my life ngasayibona yo ngafanele umbaka siba sengicabangile sengiyibona into engifuna ukuyenza ngempilo yami ngicela ukuba i-storyteller ngicela ukuba umlingisi walivala ucingo umama
hawe ma yo
Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Celebrity Stories and namhlanje sikhuluma guys ngendodakazi kababa ke uJacob Zuma. She was invited to Ukhozi FM uGugulethu Zuma Ncube bembuza ukuthi ke wena how come ukuthi ungathi uzala ama politicians ebese nje uyaphuma nje baka entertainment niyababona oduduzani ukuthi balapha la ke kwipolitiki manje because balandela ubaba wena ke uphume kanjani ukuthi ugcina usuyibona usuku entertainment industry. So guys, she was just answering that ukuthi no abazali bakhe guys ubaba ke uJacob Zuma kanye ke nonkosazana Dlamini Zuma babeshadile from 1982 base beya divorce ngo1998 banezingane ezu4 the first born umsholozi wango1982 bese kuthi ke uZigugulethu wakaZuma Ncube ulako 84 85 she's an actress and a producer bese kuba khona uNokuthula noMaqhawe wango1987 bese kuba khona uThuthukile Xolile uThuthu 1988 1989 lapho nje. So bebembuza guys ukuthi wena ufika kanjani no entertainment industry. So then she explained ukuthi no mina selapho ngathanda nje ukuba ku entertainment industry kudala nje and namangikhula bengikhona kwa acting, so I chose that as much as my parents bebethande ngazothi ke singaba ke odokotela because my mom was a doctor or my mother is a doctor. Phela guys uba doctor akupheli noma usumdala. So umama udokotela baba kupolitiki, so they were just telling us about politics and everything. They taught us a lot about that, but I had to make my choice ukuthi mina angithanda nje kuyibona ngikwi TV. But hey guys, she's doing very well. She's part of Uzalo production. She's also part of The Polygamist, and yeah, she's doing very well bakithi. I love her so much. When she speaks, yazini uyabonala nje ukuthi usisi ke all right. So yeah guys, that brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.